This is what we call a GDI engine. Others call it Pajero short. This is the main pulley, timing cover, tensioner for the fan belt. This one here. This is the socket for the crank angle sensor. This is where water passes and goes into the engine. This is the oil filter. These are the wiring harness. And this is the inlet manifold. This one here. Inlet manifold. This is the actuator or the throttle valve. Inlet manifold. These are the nozzle lines. These ones here. This is the EGR. And this is where the GDI pump sits. This is the common rail. Common rail. This is where the GDI pump sits. This is the pipe for fuel. This is where the plugs are put. In these holes here. This is where plugs are put. This is where we pour in oil into the engine. This is the behind part of the engine. You can see the flywheel. Camshaft sensor. Pipes that take water into the intercooler. You can see the temperature switch or the temperature gauge. This is the exhaust manifold.